Here is my March Bible pages. I'm working in a spiral bound journaling Bible, ESV, and it comes in 5 volumes. And this volume is the poetry volume, which has Job, Psalms, and Proverbs. So this month we are from 20 to 29. And in our ephemera kits, we have some different kind of fun things to put in. So I did scripture scribing, theme on 21. And then in our Lenten packet, I used a lot of the ephemera, and then Pat Meyer made a bunch of new artwork for us. And so I printed that out and added that as well, because all of Lent we did Psalm 22. Then I used some of our old ephemera from Names of God, and that was Psalm 23. 24, I did scripture scribing. 25, I wrote a couple of the different verses out, and my word for the year is steadfast, so I wrote that out. Used some of our ephemera from our ephemera kit. And then 27 was our Around the Word. I put that artwork in. Beautiful Sally Beck did for us. And then I did an open spaces as well, which I glued to the back. And this is called a tip-in. Scripture Scribe 27. 28 did some verse mapping, added some ephemera. And then 29 is the last one for this month. Added a lot of our ephemera as well from our monthly kit for, I was going to say March. Oh, it is March. It was March because now we're in April. So that was from our kit in March. Then I'm ready for April.